Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG front loader washing machine LE error message. This machine having problem actually while running time. It's not running machine. It's not working properly. It's within few minutes it's showing LE error. This is brand wise LG 17 kg washer and 9 kg dryer. The model wise F1255 RDS 27 model. This machine here in UAE is very expensive but very demand machine. Now we will check what is the problem exactly. According to everybody in this field, the LG LE error mean it is problem with the DD motor. Maybe it's motor damage or something. First of all, we have to check what is the problem. After that only we can recognize, we can after troubleshooting only we have to decide what we can do. Now we will go to the next step. Now I already removed the back cover. Now I already removed the nut. Now we can take it out, rotor, slide that. Now we can find out the problem actually. This tub already damaged here, everywhere tub damage. The water came to the stator. You can see now we will remove the stator and we will check this happening actually because of the water. Now we have to replace here. Look like it's too much damage. We cannot repair this bearing. It's still okay, but tub already gone. Now we will remove the stator and we will check. Now we will remove the stator. We can remove that. Yes. Can you remove that? All the nuts. Now it's so heat. It's totally heat up because it's already fused. Now we can remove the nuts. Now we can take stator here. Now here lock connector is coming like that. Here also hole sensor. We have to unlock. Now you can. This is the problem you can see here. This water came already here and shorted. Here water came already. You can see this tub too much damage. We have to replace this tub. Anyway, we cannot use anymore. We have to remove the tub. This is tub inner. We have to remove the tub. After that we have to decide. Anyway, we cannot repair this one, because of that I have to order new tub and we have to replace the tub and we will go to the next step. We have to release harness from the tub. We have to remove all the screws are here. Now we have to disconnect this hole. This is a guide. guide assemble, pressure sensor tube. Also this one we have to disconnect. This clamp we have to remove. Remove the top cover and 2 screws. After that we can remove the top cover. Now we have to disconnect all the tubes, connections, everything. After that only we can take it out, tub and drum. First of all we have to remove the power control box and front panel, front cover, door cover, everything. Drawer here, we can press and take it out. This is a steamer generator. And first we have to remove the gasket ring. Now you can see it's, we can take it like that. Now we have to disconnect this two pipe. After that we have to remove the dry duct here. No need to take it out, but we can keep it like that also. But anyway, this one we have to clean. Here is too much dirt. See, it's too much. Now I removed the top balance. Down also I have to remove now. two dampers here. You can use this 13 number T. It's very easy for us. And push this one. Its lock already gone. Now we can use it's like that. It will come very easy. Also here also this is 13 number T, and we can release the lock here. Now we can take it easy. It's like that. It's very easy for us. Other one also same. See, now we have to release this clamp. Now I have to release the harness from the heater, and this one we have to cut. Now everything's released. Now we have to take it out. Now this side also we have to remove. Please, we have to take it up and lift up and keep it down. Keep it down. Can take. Now we can take it out. And again you can see the drum, this tub. What happened to this tub? It's already gone. Now we have to replace. Now we have to remove all those nuts. After that we can take inner tub, and also after taking drum out we can check tub outer damage or not. It is already damaged. Like that we can take. Take it up in a drum. Now you can see the tub. It is cracked everywhere. Now you can see here crack, also here crack, this one everywhere crack. We cannot actually repair anymore. We have to replace the new one. Now what we can do, we have to clean the inner drum and tub inner. After that we can replace the new tub.